Hi everybody, today we are talking to Kate, my ex-student, and Kate, welcome to San Francisco. You just recently moved. Well, I also recently moved.
Yeah, get five.
Right? Super sunny. After Seattle, we're just enjoying sun much more here.
Yeah, exactly.
And you have a lot of changes in your life since you've taken the course in spring. So I wanted to catch up with you, see how you're doing.
So right now I'm working as a marketing specialist and also business developer for AI infrastructure company. So we build foundational LLM models for B2B market, and the experience of my team, it's quite impressive. So I'm so happy to be in my place right now, and also because I moved to San Francisco, it's more sunny, it's so beautiful, so I'm generally just enjoying to be here and just be able to kind of get into the AI community and tech community, because it's so interesting. It's a lot of impressive people. And from the perspective how the course also helped me, because during the course we learned a lot of like a business flow inside of the company, how the product's supposed to grow. It's also from my marketing background, it can help me to complete my vision about any product. And it's also helped me to present it, and also it helped me to speak on the same language with all these people, which is also like improve my communications.
How you decided to go into product management?
I worked with mid-sized businesses and then jumped to the AR and VR industry when I was living in Europe. And then when I moved here as the immigrant, I had a cultural shock. I felt like the tech, it's kind of the right place to be for the person who passionate about like a future. So I'm in general have a lot of futuristic vision, right? And before even your course, I was passionate about the AI, what it can do. I've been reading a lot. So yeah, when I just saw that you're like looking for people to join the course, and I was like, oh, Kate, you've been waiting for some sign like that. You need improvement, and for that you need to take time, find the right people, and obviously the team was super experienced, like the guys who teach us. In general, just like enjoyed to be able to listen the whole information, the experience, and maybe a life hacks, what you can find on your own. So yeah. That was
cool. And so this is about the course. When it comes to the internship that you went through with UpskillPM, how did it help you land your current job?
Yeah, it 100% helped me, because it's a real experience and it's the same field, and also it's teach you to communicate and stand for yourself. Because during the internship you should improve yourself and also prove it for founder, right, that you're an interesting person, and it's a good decision to invest their time in you. But also after the internship, you shouldn't be shy to ask about the feedback, write you something, that let other people and professionals know that you have opinion from the other professionals.
And the last question actually is about AI again, and how did it help, like, go through the internship, and what did you learn about AI in internship that is helping you today at work?
I'll say in the aspect of the research and preparing the information for presentation, I find a lot of different ways how to present it. It will be more effective when in a classic way. As you remember, I did like a pitch deck in a whole video generated by AI avatar, and everyone was like, oh, now we understand all your product, like all points what you was trying to explain. I was like, okay, my bad. The AI avatar did it better than me. When I present the material, of course I had like some personal flow, and I'm just like highlight some things, but AI helped me a lot to just like gain the information, combine it together, and give some infographics and a lot of helpful stuff, I would say.
I would say that, like, just talking to you today, and when you were talking about your new job, you were using a lot of these definitions that I know I didn't teach you in the class, and so I assume that either was through internship or through your new job, where your knowledge of AI and how it works and what LLMs are came with the internship and your current job. Is that correct?
It's absolutely correct.
Well, thank you so much for
Yeah.
giving your feedback and your experience.
Yeah, thank you.